The Amazfit Pace A1612 Multisport smartwatch comes in black and red color options. The bright 1.34-inch circular transflective color LCD touchscreen display allows you to check notifications in sunlight or at night without hassle. The always-on display offers legibility and clarity of the text even in bright sunlight. Powered by a 280 mAh lithium polymer battery, the watch can last up to 11 days under standard usage and 5 days for heavy use. With continuous heart rate and GPS tracking, the watch offers 35 hours of battery life. The Amazfit has 4 GB internal memory. Store your favorite song, connect any Bluetooth headset and listen to music on the go. It is operated on Android. This watch has 9 built-in sports mode and the GPS plus GLONASS dual satellite positioning system, which can precisely track your sports activities and measure your calories you've burned. Amazfit allows you to track your heart rate 24/7. It also helps track your sleep. Get instant notifications when you get a call, receive messages via WhatsApp or SMS. Get alerts from apps like Uber. The watch is IP67 water and dust resistant. It can withstand up to 1 meter or 30 minutes underwater. The Amazfit Pace A1612 watch comes with USB cable and manual inside the box. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using a debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
The Honor Watch Magic comes in Lava Black and Moonlight Silver. The bright 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen display allows you to check notifications in sunlight or at night without hassle. With a dial resolution of 390 by 390, the display offers clarity and you can choose from multiple watch faces. With ALS ambient light monitoring, the screen automatically adjusts its brightness to offer improved visibility. Crafted with 316L stainless steel, the watch is manufactured using the latest CNC machining and laser engraving technology to ensure durability for daily use. The shell of the watch is made of biodegradable nylon. The sweat-proof strap comes with silicone rubber backing to ensure comfort for all-day usage. The watch is powered by a lithium-ion battery that can last up to 7 days under optimal usage. The watch operates on proprietary Light OS. The watch is packed with health features that supports a variety of indoor and outdoor exercise modes with professional monitoring that helps you improve your workout efficiency. With TrueScene and TrueSleep, you can get real-time heart rate monitoring and analyze your sleeping patterns. The GPS plus GLONASS plus Galileo satellite positioning system can precisely track your sports activities and measure the calories you've burned. Get instant notifications when you get a call. Receive messages via WhatsApp or SMS. Get alerts from apps like Uber. With 5 ATM water resistance, the device is suitable for swimming and surfing. Inside the box, you will find the watch, charging cable, charging cradle, running manual, quick start guide, and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Has a brown leather strap. So let's quickly take a look at what all it's got and what it offers. So of course you've got a built-in GPS. You've got all-day heart rate tracking thanks to this the built-in sensors at the back. It's also water resistant up to 50 meters, so you can take it swimming. And it's got a gorgeous OLED display with some very nice watch faces. We'll go through that, but right now, currently, unfortunately, there's no activity that's been logged on it, so you can't really get a sense of what it can record and how well. And in case you're wondering, this is actually the slimmest smartwatch right now that Huawei claims is slimmest at 11.2 millimeters, slimmer than the slimmer than the Apple Watch 4 and even the Garmin Fenix 5. In fact, throughout the launch, they referred to the Garmin Fenix 5 quite a lot. And the reason for that is typically smartwatches tend to have abysmal battery lives, and typically dedicated athlete watches tend to have the best battery life, the Garmin Phoenix. This is rated to have, Huawei claims this has a 2-week battery life, which is pretty damn impressive. So, but honestly looking at it, it feels a little bulky. Not bulky, I would say, but a little too big. And but especially because Huawei says that this has some very impressive sleep tracking features. Tracks your sleep at 6 levels. It gives you analysis on 4 types of sleep, all of that. And this is a dial that I would say is a little too big to fit on your wrist while you go to sleep. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.